This is a ninja secret. You train chest, shoulders, maybe even legs, but the truth is, most people chase one thing first: arms. Because when your sleeves fill out, everyone notices. Strong, defined arms are the ultimate confidence signal. They make shirts fit better, photos hit harder, and workouts feel more complete. The problem? Most people train arms wrong. Too much weight, bad form, or they just do curls and call it a day. Here's how to actually build arms that look powerful, not just pumped. Your arms are made of two key players, the biceps and the triceps. The biceps make up about a third of your upper arm, the triceps almost 2/3. That means if you want real size, most of your focus should go to your triceps. And yet, most people don't even train them properly. They go heavy and sloppy on skull crushers or bounce through pushdowns. You need to slow it down, feel the stretch, and control the negative. That's where the growth happens. Let's break it down. Start with your triceps. Think of them as 3 parts: long head, lateral head, and medial head. You need all 3 to get that horseshoe look. The long head grows best when your arms are overhead, so things like overhead extensions or cable cross extensions hit it perfectly. The lateral head pops from movements like pushdowns or dips. The medial head works as a stabilizer. It's what gives your arms that thick look from every angle. Now the biceps. Stop curling for your ego. Lifting heavy with momentum kills growth. Instead, focus on squeezing at the top, controlling the way down, and switching angles. Standard curls hit the short head. Incline curls stretch the long head. And hammer curls target the brachialis, that muscle on the side that makes your arm look wider. That's the secret to real thickness. And don't forget forearms. Aesthetically, they complete the look. Training them improves your grip and makes your arms look balanced and strong. Reverse curls, wrist curls, and dead hangs will do more than you think. Here's the biggest mistake. People train arms like an afterthought. You can't just tack them on at the end of a workout and expect serious results. Dedicate 1 full day each week to arm training. Make it intentional. 3 bicep movements, 3 tricep movements, all focused on control, contraction, and range. 8 to 12 reps per set. 2 to 3 seconds on the negative. Try this split for a week. Close grip bench press, overhead extensions, cable pushdowns, incline curls, hammer curls, preacher curls. That's it. Simple, effective, brutal. You'll feel it from your shoulders to your wrists. Your goal isn't just to make your arms sore, it's to make them grow. That means recovery matters just as much as the workout. Get your protein, stay hydrated, and sleep. Without that, you're just breaking down muscle without giving it the chance to rebuild. Stick with it for 4 weeks. Track your progress. You'll notice your sleeves fitting tighter, your forearms thicker, and your arms holding that solid pump even when you're cold. Strong arms aren't built by luck. They're built by precision, patience, and consistency. So next time you hit the gym, stop chasing random pump sets. Train your arms like an artist builds a sculpture. Every rep with purpose, every movement controlled. Because big arms don't just look strong, they make you feel unstoppable. If this helped, subscribe, drop a like, and share it with someone who still skips arm day.